Welcome back. In this step, let's look at the storage solutions. What are the different types of storage? The first type of storage is object storage. And what is the object storage solution in AWS? The most popular object storage solution in AWS is Amazon S3, simple storage service. You can create buckets, you can upload objects to these buckets, and you can manage the life cycle of these objects. You have number of storage classes that S3 provides. And based on your use case, you can use this specific storage class for your specific object. A very similar service in GCP is cloud storage. In cloud storage, if you want to store objects, you need to create buckets. And inside buckets, you can store objects with unique keys. I know it sounds very much like Amazon S3. Cloud storage is very similar to Amazon S3. Now, the other solution, which is the block storage solution, is what we would use to create, let's say, a database, or you want to attach a hard disk with your virtual machine. In those kind of situations, we go for the block storage. We already talked about this in the last step. The popular block storage solution in AWS is Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store. And in GCP, the corresponding service is Persistent Disk. If you want to run your own custom database in GCP, you'd create your database and store the data on persistent disks. If you want to attach some hard disk with your virtual machines, you'd create a persistent disk and attach with your virtual machine. The other type of storage is file storage. Typically, a block storage device is attached with one virtual machine at a time. But there are situations where you'd want file shares. You'd want multiple virtual machines to be attached to one file share, and you'd want to be able to read and write data from those virtual machines to the file share. In those kind of situations, we go for a file storage solution. And in AWS, the file storage solution is Amazon EFS, Elastic File Store. And the corresponding solution in GCP is File Store. You can see the different storage solutions out here. File Store is the file share service. If you want to create a file share and you'd want to share it between multiple VMs, you can create a file store instance. Storage is what is cloud storage. You can create your buckets and store objects into the buckets. So under storage, we saw that there is storage, which is cloud storage. And we saw that there is file store, which is file storage. Where is the block storage solution present? The block storage solution is present under Compute Engine. If you go to Compute Engine, attached with the Compute Engine, attached with the virtual machines, is the persistent disk storage. If you go to disks in here, this is where you can create your persistent disks. In this step, we looked at the three different storage solutions: object storage, block storage, and file storage. The preferred object storage solution in GCP is cloud storage. The one for block storage is persistent disk, and the one for file storage is file store. The idea behind these steps is to give you a 10,000 feet overview. We'll dig deeper into each of these solutions and explore them in further depth as we go further in the course. I'll see you in the next step.